Want this? Well, the first step is to take the video to the timeline. Now we will find the part we want to pause or freeze. In my case, it will be this one. Here we will have several options. We will have to select this one here that is called freeze, and we would have already frozen the frame. However, if we want to make it shorter or longer, we will do the following. In case we want to make it shorter, we shorten this part here, and we select this part and we take it with the other two, and this is how it would look like. The same if you want to make it longer, but the other way around, and this would be the final result. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching.